Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream cheese softer. The simplest method is to let it sit at room temperature. Take your cream cheese out of the refrigerator about 30 to 60 minutes before you plan to use it. For quicker results, you can cut the block into smaller 1-inch cubes. This increases the surface area, allowing it to soften more evenly and rapidly. This gentle approach ensures a perfectly smooth texture for your recipes. If you're short on time, the microwave can be your friend. Place the unwrapped cream cheese in a microwave-safe bowl. Heat it on low power for 15-second intervals, flipping the block after each burst. This helps distribute the warmth evenly. Be careful not to overheat it, as this can cause the cream cheese to melt or become lumpy, which isn't ideal for your recipe. Another effective and quick method is the warm water bath. Keep the cream cheese in its original foil packaging and place it in a bowl of warm, not hot, water. Make sure the water level doesn't go over the top of the foil to prevent any water from seeping in. In about 10 minutes, your cream cheese should be perfectly softened and ready to use, offering a smooth consistency. For the best texture and flavor in your dishes, always opt for full-fat cream cheese when softening. It yields a much creamier and richer result compared to reduced-fat versions. Properly softened cream cheese is key to achieving smooth, lump-free frostings, dips, and cheesecakes. Remember, a little patience or a quick trick can make all the difference in your culinary creations. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.